let's dive right into creating your cross-reference account. To begin, go to the website xreference.com.au. Even though we say it like cross-reference, we spell it like Xreference. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted with the home screen, and there is a login button at the top right of the screen. Click on the word login and then spot the Create New Account button situated in the lower right corner of the login panel and give it a click. This action will usher you onto the registration page. Now let's walk through the steps to get you started. First off, start by keying in your first and last name. It's important to use an authentic email address and mobile number during this process. A confirmation email will pop up in your inbox, and a dual-factor authentication code will be dispatched to your mobile number during this process. Next, you'll need to obtain a reseller code. If you haven't had a chance to connect with a reseller yet, fret not. You can simply use the code M1. Be sure to click to confirm that you're not a robot and that you're in agreement with the terms and conditions. Now, you're all set to hit the Create Account button. Keep an eye on your email, including the junk mail section, for a verification email. Once you spot it, mark the Verify button and click on it when you're ready to proceed. Sounds simple, doesn't it? After verification, the setting up of your company process begins. Enter your company name as you'd like it to appear on invoices. In the drop-down, select between Standard Chart of Accounts, Retail Sales Oriented, Service Industry Oriented, or Professional Services Oriented. If you're unsure, just select Standard Chart of Accounts. Then, click Set Up Database. This might take a minute as it is setting up a new database for you and also the folders that will store your documents. Once the database is set up, you'll find yourself on the password reset page. Enter a password that meets all the requirements, 8 to 16 characters long, at least one capital letter, one small letter, one number, and one special character. If the chosen password has been in a previous breach, the screen will prompt you to select a new one. Now it's time to log into your new account. Enter your email and password, click Send Code, and a 7-digit code will be sent to your mobile phone. Type this code into the two-factor authentication code box, then click Sign In. And you're in. You've successfully created your cross-reference account. Your company name now proudly stands at the top of the screen, and you are ready for action. Mission accomplished.